Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a little bit of a different video for you guys today. I want to do a really quick review of a really cool new coffee concentrate product that I've tried out and share with you my quick and easy way to kind of do a little bit of a dupe for a favorite Starbucks coffee that I've been loving these days. So if you want to check that out, definitely keep on watching. If you're new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please consider subscribing as well. All right, guys, so I want to thank Javy Coffee first off for reaching out to me and sending me this bottle of coffee concentrate for me to try out and share with you guys today. Otherwise, this video is in no way sponsored by Javy Coffee, and these opinions and ideas are all my own, and hopefully I can provide you a little bit of unbiased opinion in that way. All right, so it's 2022, as y'all know, and we all have great New Year's resolutions. Mine for sure is try to minimize my morning routine. So if you've been watching my channel for any bit of time, you know that I'm a full-time working mom. I practice as a full-time oncologist in this area. So needless to say, the job alone is pretty demanding and requires a lot of work hours. And then you throw COVID on top of that, and it's really honestly been miserable. So it's been really tough to kind of keep myself very efficient and still take care of my 4 young kids too. So I've been a huge coffee fan and coffee drinker, really I would say since college, but definitely through my medical training as well. For me at least, it's an essential. I try to limit my cups to about 2 per day, but I just love the flavor of coffee. And if there's a way to minimize my morning routine and still get that great coffee flavor and a little bit of caffeine kick that I love, I'm all about that. So when Javy Coffee reached out to me to send me the sample, I was really excited to try it out. So today I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on this coffee concentrate, but also share with you a little bit of a fun recipe that I like to use to make iced coffee for myself. And it really does mimic my favorite Starbucks coffee right now, which is the iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. All right, so here is how this concentrate came to me. It comes in this bottle, and it is about, let's see, 6 ounces it says, and it's just the original coffee concentrate, and it says it makes 30 servings. So I will link their website down below and all the information you need if you want to check this out for yourself too. But the whole idea is this is a coffee concentrate. So you're just supposed to put a few teaspoons into your favorite liquid beverage. So whether it be oat milk, as I'm about to do, soy milk, regular milk, water, hot or cold, this works for you. And you don't need to go through the hassle of brewing your own coffee. So I'm sitting here standing in my kitchen today because this is the coffee machine that I typically use. It's one of the DeLonghi ones, this espresso machine, which I absolutely love, but it takes a lot of time in the morning. It takes time for me to heat it up. It takes time for me to clean out the filters, to put in these coffee beans. So it just is a little bit of a time suck in the morning. So this coffee concentrate will get rid of all that hassle for me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you guys my quick recipe on how to make this special Starbucks drink that I totally love. So as the Starbucks coffee name implies, it is a shaken coffee drink, and there's espresso in it in addition to brown sugar. So it has to be shaken because the brown sugar needs to kind of get into the espresso a bit. Otherwise it's very granular. So I just have my typical cocktail shaker. It's not the best quality, honestly. You'll see it does leak a little bit, but I use this to make this coffee. I just have some ice in it right now, not too much in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just add my other ingredients right now. All right, so first up is just this coffee concentrate. So I think you're supposed to put 1 teaspoon in about 6 ounces of liquid. And again, you can use any liquid, hot or cold, that you wanna mix your coffee concentrate in. Even things like smoothies, protein shakes, this would be awesome for. So when I've used this so far, I've realized that it's pretty concentrated for me. So I actually tend to undershoot that a little bit. I don't like too much of a caffeine kick, so I add about 1 teaspoon for this entire drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that right now. I do use a little measuring spoon just because I wanna be a little bit more precise and not just dump a whole bunch of caffeine in there by accident. Okay, so I go ahead and I just put in that teaspoon. And it looks like just a dark coffee color if you're curious. You can just smell the aroma of the coffee, which is amazing. Okay, so now I just changed the angle so you can see a little better. I just have the ice and the coffee concentrate in there. And then I'm just gonna throw in 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. So we just keep it, nothing fancy, in this little Tupperware. Of course, you have to keep it really secure because brown sugar will harden super fast. But I just throw in a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar, something like this. So I don't like it too sweet, so I like to just put 1 heaping, I guess, tablespoon of brown sugar in there. You could put more or less, just to your liking. And then the other key ingredient in this shaken brown sugar espresso is some cinnamon. So I just go ahead, grab some ground cinnamon, and then just put a sprinkle. I just eyeball this, but just put some sprinkles of cinnamon in there. And that's basically it. So it's cinnamon, brown sugar, and your coffee concentrate. And then typically at Starbucks, since they add espresso instead of the concentrate, there's enough liquid in there to shake it now, and then they add the milk at the end. But in this case, because I'm using the coffee concentrate, there's not a lot of liquid currently in my shaker. So I have to add the oat milk now. And I kind of like it that way because I think it mixes it in a whole lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the oat milk. And this is also a vanilla flavored one, but you can add anything you like, of course. So I'm gonna add probably about a little over half of this shaker. So here's my shaker top, and it is nice and sealed here. Just gonna grab a towel, because again, this often does leak a little bit when I shake it. So I'm gonna try to do it, and I will turn the volume down so you won't hear the shaking sound too loudly. Okay, so then I just have my clear double wall tumbler. I'm just gonna drink out of this because I'm at home today. And you could just use this as a true shaker and pour the coffee out without taking any ice out. But I like some ice and mix it with my coffee, so I'm gonna just pour the whole thing out and show you guys what it looks like. So that actually emulsifies or mixes things so well. You can see the bottom there is really clean. So all of the brown sugar really kind of mixes and dissolves nicely, as does the cinnamon. And it's just a really even mix. So this is what it looks like. And the coffee concentrate is perfect for this because it makes it super fast and easy. I cut out a whole step of making my own espresso. So I also, along with their package, received some really nice copper reusable straws. So I will take one of these out, which I've already washed, put it in here. You don't really need to mix it because it's already mixed. So there you have it, guys. Let me give it a quick taste. It's perfect. For me, that combo is amazing. It's not too sweet, but there's a little bit of sweetness. I do taste the coffee concentrate, and I didn't use much. I just used a small little teaspoon, so that bottle is going to last me a whole lot of time. Just remember to refrigerate it after you first open it, but you can use it on a day-to-day basis, and it's super easy, and it tastes great. It's good for you. It's made ethically, and it's really just coffee and water, so there aren't any additional additives that you have to worry about. So this is just perfect. So I'm really happy you guys stuck around during this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my newest creation in terms of my best iced coffee recipe, at least right now. If you've tried Javy as well, let me know. Also, let me know any fun coffee recipes that you think I need to try out as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.